Part 2. So, hierdie is part 2 van my make-up.
So this is part 2 of my makeup.
So, eers gaan ek hierdie powder gebruik.
So first I'm going to use this powder.
So my shade is hierdie ene.
So my shade is this one.
And that one, sometimes I use in that one. Also, okay, so this is. So hierdie is die ding wat ek op my sit by my doen.
So this is the thing I put on my face while I do this.
Okay, ek sit dit net onder my eyeballs.
Okay, I'm just putting it under my eyeballs.
So ja.
So yeah.
Waar het jy daai borsel gekry?
Where did you get that brush? Somewhere. I bought it at a shop.
By Pep.
By Pep. I can't remember which shop though. I got it last year.
And I take a big breath. And I get real high. Sorry, I'm just singing a song. A song. Song. Okay, now I'm gonna blend the powder in. Okay guys, so she's gonna go brush her teeth.
She's just right now blending her stuff. I'm gonna brush my teeth. Just gonna visit her.
Hoekom kyk jy na my?
Wat doen jy maar voor?
Ek wil kyk at jou krake.
A wat?
Jou krake.
A wat?
Krake.
Oh.
As jy nog 'n kraak op het.
I'm back. Go ahead. All done.
Okay julle, so nou gaan ek my lip combo doen.
Okay guys, so I'm going to do my lip combo. I'm going to put on some of my very expensive perfume. Lekker.
Wacht, dit alweer ruik. Ek kan dit ruik nie. Okay julle, so nou gaan ek my lipstick aansit. En dan moenie my judge nie, want dit is so ek dit doen.
Okay guys, I'm going to put on my lipstick. And don't judge me, that's how I do it. It's just how I do it.